Halina't pag-usapan natin to mga idol. Nangyari na nga ang trade na matagal nang gustong mangyari ni Damian Lillard ngunit hindi sa team na gusto niyang malipatan noon. Kundi napunta nga siya ngayon sa Milwaukee Bucks mula sa blockbuster na kasama ang Suns, Bucks at Portland, na kung saan nga ang nakuha ng Portland Trail Blazers na player ay si Andre Ayton, Toumani Camara, 2029 first round Bucks pick, and Bucks pick swap, at ang nakuha naman ng Suns ay sila Joseph Nurkic, Nasir Little, Keon Johnson, Grayson Allen. Habang napunta naman sa Milwaukee Bucks si Damian Lillard na magiging mabigat na duo kasama si Giannis mga idol. At sa trade nga na nangyari ay marami din ang mga nagbigay ng kanilang komento at isa na nga dyan si Jimmy Butler mga idol. At ito ang kanilang mga sinabi.
Yo, NBA, man. Y'all need to look into the Bucks for something. Y'all do. I'm just gonna put that out there. Y'all didn't hear it from me, but I heard it through somebody. Y'all look.
So I just got off the phone with, well, I didn't get off the phone with him. Just got the text from Damian Lillard myself. It's true, he's going to the Milwaukee Bucks. There's no sources that you have to say that's been told to you. I actually spoke to Dame via text. He's going to the Milwaukee Bucks. Congratulations, Dame Lillard. Let's go get that championship, nigga.